So we're on day 5 of my 523 Platt house project. Last time I posted a video, we just had started wrecking it. I showed you that there was a ton of stuff that was damaged and broken. Well, I retrofitted this bad boy with some forms to fix the buckled foundation. If you go all the way around it, got double bars in there. These are 24-inch walls that are in over here that I spanned around the back of the house. And then I put a new set form here in the middle of the house on this load-bearing wall where this rock wall just was eroded and damaged and trashed all the way to the corner. So I've got an enormous, I don't know, probably 36-inch wide by 48-inch deep form that sits back there. It's got plenty of bar in it, plenty of structural support in it for now. So I actually have it coming, and then I split the two rock wall wides, and then I have it forked through. So that's what I ended up doing here. I'll take you downstairs and you can kind of see what we got going on back there. But this has been an enormous pain in the ass because I had to retrofit all of this stuff in this house because it was all on the rock foundation. It was totally trashed, but we're getting through it. Look back here, I have a lot of walls and cribbing and stuff in to protect all of my forms. What an enormous pain in the ass it was to shore this house up, just to get it temped in place and jacked up so that I could set my forms back there. Literally, I had to dig that up. I've got a spread footing down there that I'll actually put bars in after I pour that in, and then I'll tie that in together and put a shelf in. I've got another form down here so that I can make concrete retaining walls to come up and shelf up here and tie back into my forms up here. But actually, if you look at this, it looks crooked, right? Because over here you've got, on this edge right here, you've got like a 6-inch gap. And over here, it goes to flush, you know, once you go over to this side. But that's actually how far it's tipped and sagged. When you look at this house, it actually has tipped that way about 5 inches in that corner from the front of the house. And you can see just in this 20-foot span right there, and that the length of that form, there's like a 2-inch delta in it, which is enormous. But yeah, I had to get in here and build like retaining walls and tie them back in and like lock them into this footing. And then this guy I almost lost. It's actually heaved out, but as soon as I pour a footing down here, I'll be able to lock that in and reconstruct that. This guy was original, and then I had to reconstruct that, and then I have a wall on top of that. So as soon as I get that big ass thing formed, I'll set another spread footing down here with bar on it, and then I'll connect it and do like a hooked system, and then eventually I'll fill all of this dirt that's down here in the basement in. But man, what a pain in the ass. Another one of those crazy ECC projects. It is what it is, man.